Hello! Talking about camper security. The same way that we have the security system on our houses, apartments, it's the same way to put it on your car. Right now we are talking about Starline camper security. What's a camper security by Starline? What it means? It's all totally controllable by app, by smartphone, by smart tablet, watch. You can operate your car. You lock it, unlock it, then you can see the place of the motorhome where it's parked, but is it moving, is it not? After that is possibility to put on PLE. It means Bluetooth sensors that can be operated by when you open a hatch or door. It gives a signal, open a window, or it can be independently. You can put it on your extra stuff, on your motorcycle, on your bike, scooter, surfboards, anything. You attach it. If you put the car on an alarm, it's beside the car. Somebody moves it, it starts, gives the alarm to car alarm. So if you have a bike on a rack in the back, the same thing, everything works by alarm. You can do keyless entry on a motorhome. You just push the sensor and you can open the doors, close the doors. You don't need the keys, you don't need a remote. It needs only the smartphone, tablet, or watch, or the small tag that operates like a remote. Now it's possible to start the Fiat, let's say Fiat-based motorhomes. You can lose the key and just make it a push start. Again, it needs the smartphones to operate. Finally, it has a very convenient application to it. You can operate your Alde heating or Truma heating by the same app, which is just push of a button. You can start your Alde or Truma heating from the last position that it was on. Let's see how the app works. You can see it on app. Now it's locked. Just push of a button. The alarm comes off. You can see where it's parked. Zoom it in. You can see history, where it has driven, how much, where PLE sensors. There you can rename, put a name on it, where is it located, and you can see the temperature. This one's is water tanks. Beside the water tank, I see the temperature. This is the doors, different places, and at the same time you see the battery voltage, the driven hours of the engine, fuel level, mileage, and the temperature of the engine, and underneath where is located the system. It's two-way connection, not just push of a button, beep, and it's on and off. You don't know what happens to the vehicle, but with this one you can get total control. When you are not near by a phone, you see what was open, which part gives the alarm, where is the alarm, which has the problem.